Hi everyone, this is Ziad from Gigi Productions, and we are gonna talk today about how you can change between languages on the Mac. I'm using here, as you see, Mac OS Ventura version 13.4. We wanna mention a new way that they give us with this new version. First of all, you can change the language in two ways. One, press on Control and then spacebar. Then you can see the language options. Just if you press on the space, you can change between them. You can also now press on FN, just FN without anything. Just press on FN and you can go and swipe between the languages. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, please give a like and any comment that can help and rise this video up. Thanks a lot for watching. Check the description below. Peace.